In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money using coupon codes on eBay. If you're looking to snag a great deal on your next online purchase, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this money-saving journey so you can keep more of your hard-earned cash while still getting everything you want and need. First, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, head over to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type the phrase eBay coupon codes. A few moments later, you'll see a wide array of search results displaying different websites that offer eBay coupons and promotional codes. It's like a buffet of savings options right at your fingertips. Popular coupon sites are always a good choice, or you might even want to check out eBay's official promotions page. Both options can provide you with some fantastic potential savings, so feel free to explore and find one that you trust. With these websites at your disposal, the fun part begins, selecting a coupon code. As you're scrolling through the offers, keep an eye out for a coupon that offers good savings. This might mean a percentage off your purchase, or sometimes even free shipping. It's like choosing which treasure you want to find today. Pick the one that suits your needs best. Once you've identified the ideal coupon code, it's time to copy it. You can do this by highlighting the code and right-clicking to select copy, or use the tried and true keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+C if you prefer. Now that you've got the code ready, it's time to make your way over to eBay. On eBay, you'll want to add your desired items to your cart. Take your time browsing. After all, shopping is part of the fun. Whether you're buying a new gadget, clothing, or something for your home, knowing you're about to snag an amazing deal can make the experience even more enjoyable. Once you have everything you want in your cart, it's time to put that coupon code to work for you. Head over to checkout and you'll see a space where you can paste your coupon code. Right-click into the box and select paste, or again, you can use Ctrl+V if you're a keyboard shortcut fan. After you've entered the coupon code, click apply or whatever button is available to submit the code. You should see the magic happen, a deduction in your total amount owed thanks to your coupon. Finally, proceed to complete your purchase with the discount applied, and just like that, you've made your purchase and saved some extra money in the process. That's all there is to it. By spending just a few extra minutes searching for and applying a coupon code, you've given yourself a smart shopper's advantage on eBay. Thanks for joining me today, and happy saving!